You cannot see the thing at all on this thing. I'm just pointing in the right direction, I hope.
It doesn't really have a zoom, and I can't keep it low.
Right. Yeah, don't try to keep it low or anything. It's probably going to be doing a lot better than what I think it's going to be doing.
Yeah.
Don't you love that blade bark?
I do.
700s make it so nice. Nice. Feel a whole lot better in your blade.
Oh yeah.
A lot more locked in, huh?
100% more responsive.
Plus having more power gives you better
Yeah.
control too,
Yeah.
believe me. Nice.
I was like, hey, oh crap.
This got audio too?
Yeah.
That ought to sound pretty good. Nice fast piro rate on it. I can't do that. See, that right there would have blew your tail out on the blade. You'd been in trouble with that there. It didn't, you know, was nothing wrong. You just got a little disoriented. You stopped and reflected yourself. That thing is liquid fast. Another thing I can use is a rainbow, dude. I can't even do that.
I can't do it from left to right or right to left.
Right. Still.
You know, I can only do orientation forward and backwards.
Looks like you're comfortable inverted nose in, huh?
Yeah. auto rotation, but the wind pushed it all the way down.
Don't let it light on the skids. Pin it down. Pin it down.
Yeah, no, I was trying to figure out what that noise